What's good, YouTube? Your boy is currently out here in Carlisle, Pennsylvania, where it's currently 18 degrees, cold as a motherfucker. I just wanted to show y'all what happens to your truck when you drive through snow and salt that they putting down on the roads, y'all. My baby is so fucking filthy right now. Check this out. Look at this. Y'all see this? Look how filthy she is from driving in snow and salt. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. I'm ready to get from this type of weather. Look how dirty she is. Y'all see this? Look at this shit. She filthy. 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 Even with spare tire, look at that, y'all. But I'm gonna get her clean sooner or later, rather sooner than later. Just wanted to show you guys that I keep you guys updated when I get her clean and show y'all what she look like after I get her clean. Until then, peace.